Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Lunch and recess are full of movement, noise, and energy. Before we dive back into our school day, let's take a few minutes to pause, reset, and bring our focus back into the classroom. Go ahead and sit comfortably in your chair. Place both feet flat on the floor, and let your hands rest gently in your lap or on your desk. If you'd like, you can close your eyes or just look softly down at the floor. Let's begin by taking a slow breath in through your nose and let it out slowly through your mouth. One more time, big breath in and let it all go. Imagine that each breath is like casting a torch spell. With every inhale, your light becomes brighter, and with every exhale, the torch steadies and becomes stronger in your hands. Deep breath in through the nose, the light of your torch bringing calm, helping you let go of the noise, tension, or stress in your life. Long breath out, steadiness and focus growing, helping you feel ready and prepared for what's next in your day. Keep breathing slowly, noticing the steady light of your torch growing brighter. Our thoughts can race around like shadows, flickering in all directions. Your breath, like the torch you've lit, can help you bring clarity and groundedness. With each breath, imagine the torchlight spreading, making the space all around you calm and clear until your mind feels steady and focused. Now that your body feels grounded and your mind is calmer, let's get ready to learn again. Imagine yourself standing tall and steady, like Taurus the bull. Strong, grounded, and focused. In front of you is a doorway. On one side, lunch and recess. And on the other is your classroom. As you step through, you carry that torchlight with you, lighting the way, ready for what comes next. Imagine walking through that doorway and settling into the very seat you're sitting in now. The warm glow of your torch calming and grounding the space around you. Take another deep breath in and slowly out. Notice how you're feeling. Maybe a little more steady, a little more ready, focused, calm, and prepared to do your best work. When you're ready, start bringing your attention back to the classroom. Notice the weight of your body in its seat, supported by the earth below you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. If your eyes were closed, feel free to gently open them whenever you're ready. Maybe even stretch out your arms and legs. Take one last deep breath in and out. You are calm, you are steady, you are ready to learn. Take care.